Are you one of those people who can't live without listening to music? Even just walking to class, cleaning the house, or even before you sleep? In every moment of your life, you just gotta have some music to groove on or to relax on. Well, if you are one of those, I just have the perfect news for you. Did you know that you can earn about $400 daily or more just by doing what you love the most? Stay tuned because we will teach you how to earn money just by listening to music. But before anything else, make sure you have a PayPal account because this is where your employer will send you your earnings, aka your payment method. But don't worry because it's easy to make one. If you haven't had one, just go to paypal.com, sign up, and there you have it. Employers will now be able to pay you. PayPal has also made it convenient for us by making a mobile app. It's easy to access and to keep track of if anyone sent money to you. So before going on with this video, make sure to make your PayPal account. Sign up on paypal.com. Let's now get to earning. First off, open up your search engine and type in radioearn.com. Again, it's radioearn.com. Obviously, from the name, it's literally earning through listening. You will get paid by listening on the radio. It's that easy. Plus, this website is available to everyone, anywhere in the world. So once you open the website, this is what it looks like. You will have to click Learn More, and you will see the section How It Works, all provided by the website itself. As you can see, first you sign up, and then you sign in, and then you start radio or use API, and then earn and pay out. That's basically it. Easy, right? If you scroll a little more, you will see this website's great features. It has high compatibility, best placed ads, style your radio, detailed statistics, simple system, and finally, earn and pay out. Each feature has its own description, so you can go ahead and read each to further understand how they work and what exactly they are. And now, if you go down a little more, we can see here their frequently asked questions, along with their answers. This will be helpful to you to know furthermore how they work, and maybe you have the same questions seen here. As we scroll more, here is the live statistics of the members, listeners, and paid people on this app, proving even more that this is a legitimate website. And now that we've had a rundown through the website, it's time to sign up. Up here, we can find the sign up button. Click that, and once redirected, fill up the information needed. And after that, go on and click register. Easy as that. After registering, you will once again be asked to log in to officially activate your account. Upon entering, this is what your screen should look like. The first thing you will see is your radio analysis, indicating your earnings for the past days. And over here, you have your points and your money. In this website, you are paid per 15 minutes of listening. Once you reach that, you will earn points which you can convert into cash, which will be your earnings. But make sure to fill up your payment details or else you won't be getting paid at all. And in order to do that, go up here in the settings. You will see here the payment information where you can fill it up. And once that's done, you are now able to receive the money you will work for. To start listening, click over here Start Earning and then go to Listen Radio. And then choose from any of the following radios in the choices. Once chosen, click on it and you will be redirected to a new tab, and from there, you should be able to start listening and start getting paid. It's even indicated in here the minutes left before your next payment. Once you've finished your 15 minutes of listening, you will see the progress you've made. What's so great about this kind of job is that you'll be able to listen and earn anywhere and everywhere, and do anything while listening. You can be cleaning, driving, eating, etc. Maybe the radio will even suit your interest. And that's basically it for our first website. Now, let's move on to our next one. For this one, you will have to type in cash4minutes.com. Again, cash4minutes.com. As you can see on our screen, it says get paid for making phone calls. Cash service is a unique service that allows you to earn cash with your monthly unused phone minutes simply by listening to internet radio broadcasts. If you scroll down once again, this website provided their awesome features. You may just skim through it by clicking this next button over here. Like always, each has their own description so that it would be easy for their users to understand. To earn on this website, you would of course have to sign up first through this button down here. Again, go ahead and fill up the details being asked, and once done, they will send you an email confirmation, so make sure that you check your email. Once confirmed, you will be brought to log in over here, which will have you redirected to this page after logging in. This page just basically explains what Cash for Minutes is and how it works. So make sure to check it out, especially when you have some questions about the website. Basically, this website will provide the numbers that you need to call to be able to earn. So make sure you prepare your payment details and complete it by going to My Settings in the menu, and also you can click the test numbers by clicking here. Connect your phone to your Cash for Minutes account, which can be seen in My Settings as well. Once you've done all that, you can now start earning! Our last website is called musicxray.com. It's also similar to our first website, but this one has a lot more job offers pertaining to music, as seen on our screen. Again, in this one, you have to sign up and then get to listening. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Don't forget to always add your payment information to get what you worked for. You can even try out all these websites all together that will result in a decent amount of money just by listening. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't yet, make sure to click the like, subscribe, and even leave a comment to show your support for this video. And also, click the notification bell to be the first one to know when we post. Thank you for watching!